punch that in. If I'm careful. Alright, so if I do the common log of 25 on top, close parentheses, divided by the common log of 5 on bottom, close parentheses, there it is. If I wanted to do this using my change of base, what could I rewrite the log base 7 of 343 as? Yeah, the common log of 343 on top. So log 343 close parentheses divided by log 7. And there it is. It works with natural logs too, right? If I change that common log to a natural log, and I change that common log to a natural log, it still comes out to be 3, right? Even though, I know you didn't disbelieve me, but I want to show you that the common log of 343 is that number. The natural log of 343 is that number. They are different numbers, right? The common log is not the same thing as the natural log. But when I do that ratio, it works out to be the same no matter what. Okay? Alright. Before we do the last one, the one that you're dying to know the answer to, you've been wondering for a while what this was going to turn out to be, right? Okay, before we do that, come on. I'm about to have a meltdown on this. Okay. What if you forgot to close your parentheses? Notice when you hit that log button, it automatically opens up some parentheses. And let's just say you're punching along, you're going with the flow, and you're not really paying attention to what's actually happening on your calculator. Trust me, it happens. Like I do it all the time. If you forget to close your parentheses though, and then you do the log of 7, was that right? I'll give you a hint. The answer was supposed to be 3. Is the answer right? No. And the reason it's not is because when you forget to close your parentheses, the calculator ends up working this problem. Which is not what you meant to do, right? That's a very different problem. So, I know you know better. All I'm trying to do is give you fair warning, be careful with those parentheses. And this is the second time for this test coming up that I've told you to be careful about parentheses. The first time was, we were doing the exponentials, make sure you had parentheses around your exponent. This time make sure you're closing your parentheses whenever you're done with that log. Especially if you're going on to do some other things, okay? Alright, so finally, it's like the pinnacle of the day. What's this going to be? I mean, I don't know right now. I don't know. I just really made up these numbers. I haven't really been petitioning Texas Instruments for a log crap button. All right. Do you want to do natural log or common log? Yeah, I was thinking natural log too. All right. So we'll do the natural log of 0.0019. Now there's some of you, I know you don't say anything because you would never say anything in any of your classes. I get that. There's others of you that you have mastery of the English language, like, and you talk sometimes. Like, do y'all get like pleasure out of just like leaving me hanging here up here? Like, is it like you get up on that a little bit? I'm just curious because y'all do it all the time. All right. So my calculator figures out the rest of that for me. divided by. As we're typing this up, just a random thought, and I don't think any of you would follow this. Could I mix and match my natural logs and common logs with this change of base? Could I do natural log on top and common log on bottom? No, I mean, of course not. None of y'all would try that, right? Okay. There it is. That's the answer to the question we've been looking for since the start of this section.